B.A. Valikan. I am studying in 7th standard.
Very good.
According to this word, anything is happened by the science. The scientist Mr. P.O. Jaipandian, who he has said that the new invention of two-wheeler side-stand railway machine is one of the great inventions of him. Every human being is rider of the two-wheeler, but while he had been parking his vehicle, he always operates side stand with his own leg. Sometimes, due to his innocence or absence of mind, they had forgot to release two-wheeler side stand. But the invention of Mr. P.O. Jaipandian is while they operating their two-wheeler, the side stand automatically release. How? This machine had automatically released because of electrical instrument pressure. This makes it to work automatically without the use of leg rod. Whenever two-wheeler key is operated, implanted or another machine invented by Mr. P.O. Jaipandian, who have utilized two-wheeler riding. Either he may turn right or left, the signal of indicator given to public, which his invention automatic signal machine. This machine and diagram of pictures and video coverage of real instrument photo tools and then DD copy is enclosed this letter. Thank you.